welcome to my channel. My name is Ahmed Bello Maraz. This is going to be the first video that I will be posting on my channel. In this channel, I'll be teaching people how to program with various programming software such as MIT App Inventor, Python, Scratch, and so much more. I'll also be teaching 3D modeling occasionally with Blender. So for this first video, it's just going to be a short introduction on Scratch. What is Scratch? Scratch is an easy to use application that you can create simple apps. That you can create simple programs. You just need to drag and drop blocks. If you want, you can create custom characters. So Scratch, you can either download Scratch or use the web browser. I'm currently using the web browser, but later on I'm going to switch to using the application version. So if you open the web browser, let me open new. You type Scratch, it's going to bring you to this page. Then you're going to click start creating. If you open the website version of Scratch, you will see it will be something similar to this. Here's all your command blocks. Here's your sprite and the background, and here's where you will be programming the sprite. So as you can see, if you open Scratch, you will first see this cat, which is your default sprite. If you want, you can change the sprite by either creating a custom sprite, or importing it from your computer, or going to the library and check. If you open, give me a second. The library is this cat image over here. So if you open the library, it's going to give you a bunch of sprite options, and you can see they are also divided into different categories. Let's go to letters. You'll see a bunch of different options. Or if you hover your mouse above this the cat image, it's going to give you choose sprite from the library. You can create your own custom sprite, or you can upload a sprite from your computer. This other image over here is for the background. As you can see right now, currently our background is just blank, but if you want, again, you can choose background. Let me just choose any random one. Arctic. As you can see, the background is now the Arctic. If you want, you can also upload it from your computer. So basic sprite commands. If you want the sprite to move forward 10 steps, you can drag this block and place it here, and then click the block. You'll see the cat will move 10 steps forward. But if you want, and this green flag commences the beginning of your program. If you want the sprite to move 10 steps at the beginning of your program, you need to come here to events, click grab this block. When green flag, click move 10 steps. As you can see, whenever you click the green flag, the cat will keep moving. But if you want the cat to go back to the main to the center of the page every time you press this red flag, you're going to come here, go to and change this X to 0. So you're going to come here to events. When green flag, click this. Actually, yeah, it's supposed to work something like this. Then you put the move 10 steps under. If you put it the blocks like this, first it's going to run the one on top, then then the one on the bottom. So let's see. As you can see, it's at first it did that. So if you want, you can also change you can get the sprite to do other things, like play a sound. Let's say a meow, which is in the default noise. So let's just, whenever you click the green flag, it will play the meow noise. If you want to change the sounds, you need to come here to sounds on this top bar, And you can, again, like the background and sprite, you can start from the library. As you can see, it gives you a bunch of options. Okay, that was funny. Oh, and also, if you want to create a custom sprite, you come here to the customs. As you can see, we have the cat sprite over here, and this, you can select things. You can move the cat around. If you want, you can erase some things. As you can see, I'm erasing some things. If you, whatever you do to the sprite in the customs area, you'll see it will affect the sprite over here. So let's say, let's just add a text like Ahmed. Okay, this is just frustrating someone. As you can see, the text we inserted also appeared here, but it's less visible. We can also increase the size of the text and change the color. Let's say red. As you can see, the text is now red. If you want to create a sprite which from shapes, you can also do that by, if you see this square icon or this circle icon, if you click on it, then you click you can drag and create a shape. It can be a circle or an oval. If you click the circle icon, you can create shapes that are somehow related to the circle. Let me delete that. If you want, it can be convert to bitmaps. If you want to also change the options, if you want, you can also change the options over here by if you, at the bottom of your screen, you will see convert to bitmaps, which will change your options. Now you can draw straight lines. You still have the shapes options, and you have this color, this icon that you can use to color things. You can change the color, and you have this you use to select. But if you want to select the entire shape, you need, if you select only, let's say, half of the shape, and you drag it, the entire shape, you'll just cut the shape in half. So this will be the end of my video, and hopefully you now know what Scratch is and know how to create simple programs. In the next video, I will also be explaining more on Scratch.